Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into IHG Credit Card account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in chase.com/IHG. Once you come across this official page, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. Here, enter your username associated with your account and your valid password. And if you've forgotten your username or password, then you can click on Forgot Username/Password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up Now link. Then, after entering your details, click on the Sign In button to proceed. And that is how you can log into IHG Credit Card account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.